this man, Pat Quinn, called me, and he said, there's a woman in Newton who has a story to tell. She was in concentration camp, so we knew concentration camp. And she would like someone to help her write her story. And I remember going to Newton and going into this house, heavy Germanic furniture. I remember those clown ball-footed things, and she told me her story, and I didn't believe her. You have to remember that it took Elie Wiesel 10 years to get anybody to publish Night. And if it weren't for Andre Malraux, he wouldn't have gotten it published then. We were in such denial.